No mai. Kia ora. My name is Ashlynn.
And more at WINTON School. I'm Richard. Welcome to N.E.W.S News, Rahina, from the 19th of October, which is today.
Yes, it is. We start the day with some health and safety news.
Year 5 to 8 are, of course, allowed over the road to play at interval and lunchtimes.
You must make sure you cross Eglinton Street at the pedestrian crossing. Kia ora to all the students using the crossing correctly.
And there's plenty of touch training during the week, so be mindful if you're carrying sports equipment.
Whoa! Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is ma, which is te reo for white or clean.
It's in kua ma katoa koe. You are completely clean.
Yeah, rā horoi Saturday.
Alright, it's Rahina, which means we announce the tidiest class for week 1.
Picture drum roll please for
Room 74. I'm kidding. We don't have any info yet. Sad face.
high-vis vest. Keep wearing them to and from school. And it's time for sunhats at playtimes and lunchtimes too. Kia ora.
Okay, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices down there.
Year 5 and 6 mini ball news. You have a training today at 12:45 on the new courts. If it's wet, you have a quick meeting in the library, same time.
Library news. Open today as it is every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.
And remember, your book club's orders are due in on Friday. Straight to the office, please.
Richard's Got Talent. Winton's Got Talent. A lot of entry forms going out for dancing, singing, playing an instrument and performing on stage.
Oh, you shouldn't do that. Okay. More forms are at the office, and there's more info coming soon. Stay tuned.
Birthday news. A big happy birthday to Eva Neely in room 1, who turned 6 yesterday.
And while he's in Deep Cove on camp this week, Max Sinclair is turning 13.
Ralphano Kia Korua.
Okay, that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo.
Stay sharp and haere rā, Winton School.